In Fusion, you can manage your dashboard. Each of your panels has settings that depend very much on the panel that you're using. But one of the options on any panel is to remove. And if you click that, it will remove the panel completely from your dashboard. You also have the option to drag and drop panels into a new position. So anywhere you see green or an outline, you can push that panel to that place. You can also use this button here to manage your panels. So you can add a new panel from a large selection. So if I want a panel for my forums, I simply click there and then use the arrows to move it to the place I want it to go and save changes. I can also manually move my panels by clicking on that here and move them around and again save changes. So that's how you manage your dashboard panels on Fusion.